You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the two views that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen in isometric projection. When you hear the word isometric projection, the first thing you have to do is for you to draw your isometric axis. That is, you draw the vertical axis this way, and you draw the x and z axis too this way, and also this one also this way. Hope you can see that. Now the next thing is the entire length here is gotten from the elevation. This is the elevation. Why? Because it is in first angle projection. The entire length is given to be 90, 94. So I am going to measure 94 from this point here. So from 0 to 94. This is 94 here. Can you see that? And the width, you get the width from the plan, and that's given to be what? 20. So from 0 to what? 20. From 0 to 2. That's given to be what? 20. And the height is given to be 46. From here to here, I'm going to measure 46. From 0, this is 40, 46 is here. Then I'm going to project them up to get what I want. So you take here up this way. Here you come here too. You take it up to this way. And you close it up from here. Also, you close it up from here. And from here. Also, you close it up from here too. Now you can see what I have brought out. Now the height here, thickness from here to here, that is point A. Point A is here. It's given to be what? 15. So I'm going to measure 15 from here. From 0, which I am going to thicken. From 0 to what? To 15 at this point here. Is that taken? So I'm going to measure 15. 0 to 15. So I'll thicken it. I'll also come here too. I'll thicken here too. Right. Also I'll thicken here too. Also I'll thicken here too. Hope you can see that. And I'll thicken here too. From this point. To this point. Right. And also I'll thicken from here to this point. Also, I'm going to thicken from this point to this point. Right? I'm going to measure 20 from here to here is 20, meaning I'll measure 20 at this point here. So let me measure that 20 from 0 to 20. So I can easily tick in it just to save us time here. And I'll come here too. I'll do the same thing here too. I'll come here too. I'll do the same thing here too. Now you can see that. Now the next thing that I am going to do here is this. I'm going to draw, there's a curve here, and the curve is giving, you are giving the radius of the curve to be 86, right? As you can see from the screen. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to reproduce that given figure here, because I'll reproduce the same figure that you can see, the elevation. I'm going to reproduce it here. Is that taken? So let me do that and you can see what I'm trying to do here. So at this end here, right? So let me remove that figure. So I'll just from here, draw an horizontal line this way. And I'm going to measure 94, which is the same measurement from this end to this end here, right? That is 94. I can use my compass or I can just use my meter rule here this way and measure 94 from here. So from 0, can you see that? This is 94 here. I'm starting from here. Then I'll take it up this way. And the height given there is what? 46. So I'm going to measure a height of 46. Look at what I'm doing. The height of 46 from here. This 46 here. Right? And I'm going to take it up this way. Right? Similarly, I'm going to take here in this way. So from here, I'll measure a height of what? 15. That's the same height here. I'll measure a height of 15 from 0 to 15. And also measure a length here of 20, as you can see. So I'll measure 20 from 0 to 20. Can you see that? Now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to draw an arc of radius what? 86. As simple as this. You're going to take your compass and you measure 86, right? From 0 to 86 is here. From 0 to 86. And you place it at this point here. You strike an arc. You place at this other end here. You strike another arc. Now they are meeting at this point here. Is that taken? So I'll now come here. Then I'm going to draw an arc this way. So you can see that this is what we have here, the arc, which I should be able to bring out so you see what I'm talking about. This is what we have here. That is what we have here, this arc. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to pick different points on this arc. Different points. Let's say from here to here, we'll say it is 96, right? See what I want to do? 96. So I can just take 3 of them. Let me take 15, right? Then another 15 plus 15, we have 30. another 1545, depending on you, another 1560, another 15 we have 75. Can you see that? And I can easily take them up this way. You see that it is meeting this point here. See what I'm doing? Now after I've done that, similarly from this point where it meets those points here, I'll come here, I'll take it down here. See what I'm doing? Come to this point too, I'll take it down here. Come to this point too, I'll take it down here. Come to this point too, I'll take it down here. You can see that? So see the logic here now. I'm going to move the first point from this point to this point. I'll come here, I'll mark. Then I'm going to project my point, faint line, this way. Project the point this way. You can see that at the first point. Then from this point to this point, from this point here to this point, you can see that I'll come here, I'll even come here, and I'll mark. So I'll take it up to from here. So where they meet, they're meeting here. So that is my point 1. I'll come again. I'll do the next thing. From here to the next point. I'll come to the next point from here. I'll mark. Take my meter rule. I'll project this. Can see that? Then I'm going to the next point from here to here. Come here. And I'll mark. So I'll take it up to meet that point. So this is where they are meeting. That's my point 2. I will come again from this point to this next point here. Can you see that? I'll come here and I'll mark. That is my 3. Come here and I'll do the same thing. Right? And I'll go to the third point from here to here. Then I'll come here and I'll mark. That is our point 3. So they are meeting here. Then I'll come again to the fourth one from here to here. I'll come here, I'll mark. Then I'll take it to this point. Right, that is the point 3. So I'll come here to that point also here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, so here. I'll come here, I'll mark. And I'll take it up. So this is where they meet. Can you see that? Then I'll now take my French curve and I'll join those points to this point here. See what I want to do. Alright, then I'll do the same thing for the other side also. Start taking. So what I will just simply do here is this. I'm going to do the same thing. I can just project this point, this line here, and also project this line here, right? Then I'll bring here down from here. Can you see that? So what I'll just do is I'll transfer those points. If I take the first one, it's touching here, and I'll take it up from that point. Then this point is for this. The next one from here, I'll take it here to touch here, and I'll take it up. Then the next point is this, meeting it here. Then I'll come to the next point here also. I'll take it to this point, and I'll take it up. And transfer the point from here to this point. Right? Then here also, touch here, I'll take it up. Can you see that? Then I'll transfer the point from here to the meeting this point here. It's meeting here. So I'm going to use my French curve, and I'll connect all these points together from here. Just connect it on this point. Yes. Can you see that? So this is what we have here. And you can see at the right hand side of the screen. That again, so we produce them. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.